The 9th International Inter-Team event in Copenhagen is a conference with separate tracks on intranet, internal communications, SharePoint and search. On the workshop day we have 4 tracks, and on the 2 conference days we have 3. Among the 28 speakers are Jane McConnell, Martin White and Sam Marshall. We also have top-rated speakers from IABC's World Conference. There will be case studies chosen because the speakers have a good story to tell. Among the topics are social intranets, collaboration, governance, the digital workplace, adoption and change management. You can meet the speakers and the other attendees in the long breaks, at the cocktail party and at the 2 networking dinners. It all takes place on February the 25th to the 27th at Radisson Blu Scandinavia in Copenhagen. Read more and sign up on interteam.com. I look forward to seeing you in Copenhagen.